Dr. Kemp here, the Hammer Doc, working on Leslie motor this evening as I'm watching the ACC basketball tournament, and I noticed that the bearing here in this particular motor is rotor is very noisy, so I removed it from the motor, and we're going to replace it with this one, which is much quieter. So the bearing on this rotor is should be better than this one that I removed, because I need a quiet upper motor. Alright, so after I get this installed, I'll come back and let you hear what it sounds like. Doc Kemp, Hammer Doc. I'm out.